Today we're showing you a 2015 John Deere 6115M tractor. It's a four-wheel drive tractor with cab heat and air. Tractor comes with a John Deere H340 quick attach front loader. Tractor is in like new condition, has 115 horsepower, just over 300 hours. It's a very, very clean tractor. It's got the 4 work lights up front as well as the dual exterior mirrors. The front center beam of the loader here does have some paint chips out of it. It's about the only cosmetic flaw in the tractor. It's got the global style quick attach for your bucket connection. Front fenders, toolbox, rear fender extensions. It's got a heavy duty front bucket on it in real nice shape. Front grill guard and front weight carrier. Paint's in really nice shape on the tractor. It's got radial tires all the way around it. Deluxe Multi-Coupler for your loader hose connection. 4-post exhaust, 2 entry doors in the cab, 2 sets of rear wheel weights. Got the PTO switch and the 3-point switch on both rear fenders. Telescopic 3-point arms, 540 and 1000 PTO, triple rear hydraulics, 2 rear work lights as well as the rear wiper. And again, 115 horsepower, just over 300 hours. Inside the cab, looks nearly new in here. Still has the plastic on the seat. Comes with the buddy seat here to the side. Has tilt and telescopic steering wheel. Left-hand power reverser allows you to change direction without clutching. Tractor has the 24-speed transmission. That's the higher mile-per-hour transmission. You've got 6 ranges in the tractor. 4-speed power shift in each range, which can be shifted on the range lever, on the toggle, or on the loader joystick here. So that's very convenient. Also have your hand throttle and 4-wheel drive switch right here within easy reach. 3-point hydraulic controls on the control console, as well as your light and climate control switches. Up top you've got the radio, sun visor, and rear view mirror. Down below you've got foot throttle, individual brakes, differential lock, and clutch pedal. And as you can see, it barely shows any wear in there. The tractor's in very, very nice shape. Just over 300 hours. We do take trades, also offer trucking and financing. If you have any questions, please contact us.